Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter B. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures beginning with the sound of the letter B. At the same time, you will be able to read words beginning with the sound of the letter B. Are you ready? B is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter B. How to write the uppercase letter B? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter B. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Go back to the starting point. Slide right curve forward to the red midline. Slide left. Slide right curve forward to the blue baseline. Slide left. This is a lowercase letter B. How to write the lowercase letter B? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter B. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Push up straight and circle forward all the way around. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter B. B is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter B sounds as B, B, B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bring your bat and bring your ball, B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Let's read the consonant vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. B, a, b, bag. B, e, be, bed. B, e, b, bib. B, o, bo, box. B, o, bo, bag. B, be, bi, bo, bo. Be, ba, bi, bo, bo. Bo, bi, be, ba, bo. Bo, bo, bi, be, ba. Now, it's your turn. Well done. Bag. Banana. Ball. Balloon. Band. Bank. Barn. Basket. Barrel. Bat. Bat. Bath. Bear. Bed. Bedroom. Bell. Belly. Belt. Bib. Big. Bill. Bean. Biscuit. Boat. Bone. Boss. Bottle. Box. Boy. Bubbles. Bucket. Bag. Bulb. Ban. Bash. Butter. Butterfly. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter B. Bag, banana, ball, balloon, band, bank, barrel. Born, basket, bat, bath, bear, bed. Bedroom, bell, belly, belt, bib, big, bill. Bean, biscuit, boat, bone, boss, bottle, box, boy. Bubbles, bucket, bud, bulb, bun, bass, butter, butterfly. Let's read more words beginning with the sound of the letter B. Baby, bee, beet, bird. Bicycle, book, boots. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The name of the picture begins with B. Bean. The name of the picture begins with basket. The name of the picture begins with belly. The name of the picture begins with boxer. The name of the picture begins with band. The name of the picture begins with butterfly. The name of the picture begins with bed. The name of the picture begins with bad. The name of the picture begins with bottle. The name of the picture begins with bell. The name of the picture begins with bug. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter B. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter B. Ball, boat, bicycle, book, baby, bone. Now, practice writing the letter B on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.